Vegetables have long been recognized as key dietary elements due to their rich nutritional profile. We always hear that we should focus on eating enough vegetables, but what exactly is it about vegetables that makes them so beneficial to our health and well-being? Vegetables are recognized for being low in calories, yet packed with essential nutrients. They provide key vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin A, and folate. Additionally, they offer vital minerals such as potassium and magnesium, dietary fiber, and beneficial phytochemicals like antioxidants and polyphenols. These essential nutrients are vital for sustaining numerous bodily functions and promoting overall well-being. Benefits of vegetables include cardiovascular health. Diets abundant in vegetables are associated with a decreased risk of heart disease, stroke, and hypertension. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants present in vegetables help lower blood pressure and enhance cholesterol levels. A diet abundant in vegetables can help prevent cancer. Certain vegetables, like cruciferous ones such as broccoli and cauliflower, along with those rich in carotenoids like carrots and spinach, may contain compounds that lower the risk of specific cancers. Vegetables can also aid in digestive health. The fiber content in vegetables supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and potentially reducing the risk of colorectal cancer. Fill up on veggies for weight management. Vegetables are low in calories but high in fiber, making them ideal for promoting satiety and controlling appetite. Vegetables are necessary for nutrient absorption and metabolism. The vitamins and minerals found in vegetables play critical roles in metabolism, immune function, and the absorption of nutrients from other foods. Then there are the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Many vegetables contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the body. This can contribute to a lower risk of chronic diseases, such as diabetes, arthritis, and neurodegenerative disorders. Vegetables are not just essential for a healthy diet, they are a gateway to a vibrant and energetic lifestyle. Packed with vital nutrients and a myriad of health benefits, incorporating a variety of vegetables into your meals can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, aid in weight management, and boost your overall well-being. Summer is an excellent season to explore fresh vegetables at local farmers markets. Whether you prefer grilling, roasting, or enjoying them raw, savor the nourishment from nature's superfoods.